Because EOG or the middle job is a concept of yes or no. Your choices, I've taught it before. It's also in this concept that we have what we call chi neke. Chi and neke. I've told you this is how electricity functions. The positive energy and the negative energy. Polarity of plus and what? Minus. Which means binary is life. Everything in life is based on binary. Now, which means if I tell you, will you eat yam? Your answer is either yes or what? No. Chibiki, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. If I ask you, will you eat yeliji? If you answer me yes, 1. If you answer me no, 0. So when we say let's, in mathematics, when we say let's yes equals to 1 and no equals to 0. We've defined the binary. Whenever the computer sees yes, it will show us 1. Then whenever the computer sees no, it will show us what? 0. That is what is programming. Programming is using yes and no to tell the computer what he wants to see. I can boldly tell you that the way you are seeing me now is because Dr. Usumensa from Ghana created what we call fiber optics. Is he affecting this one? Dr. Usumensa from Ghana created what we call fiber optics. That fiber optics is telling the computer to accept yes or no, to give yes or no, a binary number of 1 and 0 to your graphics. That is why you are seeing me now. You think in mass, but why you are seeing mass is because the fiber optics working in this TikTok and Facebook have interpreted my vision, my image, transponded it to a series of 1 and 0, arrange it parallelly so that you can transpose it under lateral inversion. That's why you are seeing me today. Okay, so the basic knowledge is here, the 1 and 0. Every computer bit has 4 bits as a foundational knowledge. Check. The first bit that came, 4 bits gave us 8 bits. 8 bits gave us 16 bits, right? 16 bits, 32 bits. 4 megabytes gave us 8 megabytes. 8 megabytes gave us 16 megabytes, right? Now watch how it works. This is 1 bit. This is 2 bits. This is 3 bits. And this is 4 bits. Right? Now, in the Bible, you saw something they call the Urim and the Tumim. For it to be Urim and Tumim, the person that will do the Alpha for you will hold it this way. Do double. This side represents the Urim, this represents the Tumim. Now, in the Yoruba language, it is called Oduifa. Oduifa, Odumeji. Odumeji, Odumeji, Odu. 2 Odu is Meji. Okay? Aka Fanabo in Igbo. Aka Fanabo. Aka Fanabo. Aka Nina Aka. Now, this is Aka and Ose.
That's not the